today is the day when you'll be reaching to my destination, Sikkim. In this video I show you how Sikkim is incredibly different from rest of India. So let's get started. So today is the 24th of June. I am just getting ready to move forward to my next destination. Weather over here is unpredictable. Right now, it's raining outside, so I am covering myself to protect from the water. Whenever you go on a road trip, especially on a bike, just make sure to carry your protective gear, rain cover and tools. You can review the list on the right. Small safety can save in big breakdowns. So I am all set. Let's go. Sikkim is just 100 kilometers away from Darjeeling. I was expecting bad roads, but to my surprise I found that roads were well maintained and in good shape. The only thing for which I was not expecting was the weather. In my 100 kilometers journey I experienced rain, fog, humidity, cold. Almost 3 or 4 times I stopped my bike to change my clothes. Because sometimes I was feeling too cold because of rain, and then after a few kilometers I was feeling too hot because of bright sunshine. And then after a few kilometers I was experiencing rain again. So I was confused. I was told by many fellow travelers that weather in Sikkim is unpredictable, but I was not listening to them, and when I was approaching there, I was remembering their words. Road from Darjeeling to Sikkim is scenic. From dense forests to vast tea gardens and good view. I was enjoying my ride and was feeling very happy.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
After 60 kilometers I reached the Sikkim border. The officer asked me to drive slow from here. At that moment I was smiling and said yes. The moment I entered Sikkim I realized that roads were broad. Police were everywhere. In those highways I was cruising at 80 to 100. I encountered some traffic jams as well, but who cares, I am on my destination.
Bring me down, can't run. Bring me down, the love is too high. Bring me down, can't run. Bring me down, I said. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
I was very surprised to see that unlike other hill stations in India where people are stuck in city traffic, Gangtok traffic was smooth. All thanks to the law and order over there. Cars were parked in parking area. People were walking on footpaths and not on roads. Using bridge to cross roads. Or zebra crossing. I was seeing no smoking signs everywhere. In fact, there's a heavy fine if one is found smoking in public place. I was expecting some chaos like Darjeeling, but I was shocked to see the smooth functioning of the city. And yes, we cannot honk in Gangtok. So keep your hands down from the horn.